the all-new Jeep Avenger EV will make its debut in 2023. This all-new Jeep Avenger car is capable of braking through 400 kilometers in one charging. The all-new Jeep Avenger debuted with a number of reliable specifications. All-new Jeep Avenger, the first fully electric Jeep SUV, arrives in Europe in 2023. All-new Jeep Avenger, which will be introduced in Europe and other markets, such as Japan and South Korea. This car will be positioned under the Jeep Renegade and will be produced at a high-efficiency factory in Tychy, Poland. With a targeted electric range of 400 kilometers, the new SUV will offer impressive ground clearance, breakover, and approach angles for the segment. In addition, it features a modern and technologically advanced interior, with plenty of space for people and cargo. The Jeep Avenger will debut during the Paris Motor Show press day on October 17th, with orders opening for customers on the same day. The all-new Jeep Avenger will arrive in showrooms in early 2023.